In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect broker to TradeZella. So the first thing you have to do, you want to click on Add Trade at the very top left, and then here, in case you've done that anytime already, you'll be able to see, of course, your current brokers here, and then it says Add New Account at the top right. So you want to click on Add New Account, and it's going to ask you to basically choose your broker, prop firm, or trading platform. So to do this, go ahead and type in the name. So for me, I'm just going to look for Interactive Brokers. There we go. Of course, if it's down here, you could also click on it over here, and then you want to click and then press continue down here at the bottom, and then it's going to give you three options. You could either auto sync, which will basically connect your broker, and data will have a 24-hour delay. In some cases it says over here, but this option is recommended. The second option you have is a file upload, where you can basically upload a broker provided file with your trading history, or you could add manually, which basically allows you to add your trades one by one with your interface in here inside TradeZella. So it's completely up to you whichever one you choose. However, the supported asset types will change, of course, depending on whichever one you choose. So I'm gonna go, and I think a lot of you are going to select the auto sync. So I'm gonna click on auto sync right now, press continue, and then all you have to do is basically put in your flex token, as you can see here, and then the activity flex query ID as well. So of course, depending on whatever you are connecting, it's going to basically require different things. So over here, let me actually show you for a different broker, for example. So if I go to, I don't know, MT5 here, and if I do auto sync and press continue, again, it's going to just require the server, the start date, login, and then the investor password. Okay, so over here on the right hand side, it's going to show you the specific basically step-by-step instructions you have to do. Now, of course, I can't show you how to do this for every single broker over here, but if you're willing to do it, you can just select whichever broker you want. So whatever you're working with, like, I don't know, Thinkorswim, auto sync, press continue, and then over here it's going to basically show you how to basically achieve this. Okay, so it's usually very simple. Just follow these instructions and you'll be able to do it. However, if you select file upload, you want to do file upload here, press continue, and it's going to allow you to basically select your time zone and then upload your files. Or if you do add manually, that's the pretty much the quickest way. You can do add manually, press continue, and it's going to basically require you to type in your type and then the symbol, and then you can basically go and create a new execution, click on save trade, and that trade is going to be saved over here inside your active accounts tab. So that's how to add a connect in broker to TradeZella. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.